Morning race fans. So my plan this weekend was to get a bit of work done on the Yamaha TZ250. I was hoping to get it on the dyno, do some runs, test some pipes, and then switch the engines out. But my workshop is a proper mess. So it looks like this weekend's going to be just sorting stuff out and getting tidied up so I can get to my dyno and use it. But yeah. Let's see. Alright, don't look much better, but finished tidying for the day. That's done my head in. Was going to do a day video, but it looks like it's going to be a weekend one. So first job to do is ZXR. So this one we went on track day and it started to run and then cut out. And it is the carb float sticking. So I've got to whip the carbs off and give them a clean out. So this bike's been an absolute nightmare for this, so I am going to change the pump and clear out all the lines as well. Morning guys, day two. Hopefully swapping some tyres today. So I've got a new Rabaconda. Gonna set it up and see how it works. Easy. Another job done, wheels ready for powder coat. Oh, hello sweetheart. So guys, that's a set of scrubs fitted so I can run the bike on the dyno. Didn't want to scruff up some decent new tyres because we fitted tyres for the last race, but we weren't able to race, so still had new tyres set on it. Tyres are hard to get, so yeah. Now let's prep the engine for dyno. So guys, that's antifreeze added because obviously it's winter now. Made some brackets for some Jolly Moto pipes from a 5KE to fit the 4TW just for dyno testing. So I'm not going to race the bike with them like that, but they're just so we can get the dyno testing done. It's now 5 o'clock, freezing cold, so I'm probably going to call it a night of that. We'll get some jet changes done, and then hopefully one evening in the week I'll have the dyno running. Hopefully have a day off work and just do it, but we'll see how we get on. But yeah, she's all ready to go on a dyno, and see what we can do, see what power she makes, and then swap the engines, and jobs are good. And so that's a weekend in my life anyway, so you'll think it's all easy and everything, but this is what you got to do if you want to race bikes. Sound.